Yo, what's up guys, it's Mystic, and for this video I'm gonna show you guys how you could jailbreak iOS 12. And I only waited because it's still getting updated every day, but other than that, let's get right into it. So first thing, if you have any OTA updates, which is this right here, just delete them, because otherwise when you jailbreak your phone could be stuck in the boot loop. That happened to me for the iOS 11 jailbreak and it is not fun. But anyway, I'm gonna have this link in the description and it's gonna take you to this website, and all you're gonna have to do is scroll to the bottom until you get to, well, I think there's gonna be 3 ads, so 1, 2, 3. Alright, so once you do that, you should be good to go. But right here, Uncover for iOS 12, this is what we want to do. We're just gonna hit install, and for some reason it redirects me, so I just delete this and I go back to it and I scroll to it. But the next time I click on it, it doesn't do that, so I don't know if it redirects every time. But you just hit install, let me try it again. Alright, so hit install, and then this time it should work, and then it will go right on your home screen, and then it's just going to load up. And let's see. Alright, now if you click on it, you're going to see this. It's going to say untrusted, so you're going to go to your settings, go to general, profile and device management, and then you're going to trust whichever one it is, which at the moment it is this, but it can change every time they re-sign it. So as soon as it's done, you should be able to open it up, and this is what it looks like. So once you're here, there's a settings and then there's a jailbreak. There's not really much in this app, but this is the app that's going to jailbreak your device. So from here you can do all these settings. I don't mess with any of it though, but before I even jailbreak, I also put my phone on airplane mode just to be sure. I don't know, I just do it in case anything else can go wrong. So after that, you just hit jailbreak, and then after a while it should go through all the numbers and respring. So let's just wait for that. Alright, so it resprung, and let me see if it worked. And no, I still don't have a Cydia. It doesn't look like I have it. So we're going to go back to Uncover, and then we're just going to hit jailbreak again. And then you're pretty much going to have to keep doing this until it works, which it could take 1 try, it could take 2 tries. So we're just going to see how many tries it takes me. So let's do it again. Alright, let's see if it worked this time. And I think every time it either does something more to the jailbreak, or it just takes multiple times for everyone. But right here, this should be the last time I should have to do this. So hit jailbreak, and alright, so it went through all the numbers. Looks like, if I get the screenshot, okay, if you see jailbreak completed, then you're good. Alright, so now that I got through that, let's see. Alright, so I unlocked my phone after the respring, the last respring, and as you can see, I have Cydia. And now when I go to Uncover, it says re-jailbreak. So if it says re-jailbreak, that means you're already jailbroken. And let me go ahead and turn off my airplane mode. Alright, so as you can see, let this load up. And boom, right here I got Cydia, and I'm on iOS 12. So right now this is currently for devices like the iPhone 7, 8, and the X. So they are going to keep updating it. But anyway, that's it for this video. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you want to see, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. I know that you miss me. I know I've been drinking.